document and I'll direct you on how to use it. I thought I had given you an opportunity to contribute. You are going at a tangent that is totally unnecessary. If you want to contribute, that is what I had given you. If you are not ready to contribute, give somebody else.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. I want to stand, and I stand guided. Honorable Speaker, I want to stand to oppose the motion to impeach the Deputy President. Honorable Speaker, the reason why the new constitution brought about the issue of having a deputy president position, which is not an appointed position anymore, but a position that the president and the deputy would be conjoined together at the point of election, is so that the two of them can be able to work together. And that is what the country desired. That is what our people of this Republic of Kenya voted for in 2010 in the new constitution. Honorable Speaker, I want to believe that when we have been able to get the two of them, we should be able as a country, as much as practically possible, ensure that whatever misunderstanding and whatever differences that may appear or may exist between the two of them,
yes, Kagombe.
We get...
Kaguchia, hold. Honorable Gigi Kagombe, what's your point of order?
Mr. Speaker, is the honorable member in order to disparage the Constitution and mutilate it in the manner he is doing by disputing the provisions of Article 150 of this Parliament to remove a sitting Deputy President? It is constitutional, it is written, it was passed by us in 2010, and that work is given and granted by the Constitution to this Parliament. Therefore, the fact that the President and the Deputy President were elected together doesn't stop the provisions of Article 150. So therefore, it should withdraw.
Honorable Speaker, you know there's a reason why Honorable Kagombe is called Kagombe and not Kagombe. It's because a small cow jumps before he jumps, you know, a small calf. Honorable Speaker, Honorable Speaker, Honorable Speaker, Honorable Speaker, Honorable Speaker, you know.
Take your seat. Order. Order, honorable members, order. Order. Honorable Kaguchia, take your seat. Order, honorable members, order. Honorable Kaguchia, you are here the whole morning, and I did direct to the House. Order. Order. Order, Nabuin, take your seat. Honorable members, we have done very well since morning. This may be but as leaders, leave your emotions at that door when you come to this house. And I want to encourage you, honorable members, Honorable Kaguchia, treat your colleagues the same way you would want them to treat you. Don't make any disparaging remarks. Don't purport to misinterpret the meaning of the name of a colleague, because that's not your duty. We just withdraw and apologize to Kagombe and proceed with your contribution.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, I want to withdraw the naming of Honorable Kagombe and apologize, Honorable Speaker.
Now.
Honorable Speaker, I also hope that you have noted the Honorable Amombi has hit me with a bottle of water. Honorable Speaker, and that is unparliamentary. Is unparliamentary that another honorable member should rule.
Order. Honorable Amombi, did you throw a bottle? Take your seat.
That is very unparliamentary.
Take your seat. Amombi.
Mr. Speaker, it's very bad that Honorable Kaguchia can lie to this House. He is lying. Mr. Speaker, Honorable Kaguchia is lying. Let him continue with the speech, but he should not lie in this.
Order, honorable members, to the extent that the Speaker didn't see and Honorable Kaguchia is not claiming any injury, let's leave it there.
Honorable Speaker, Honorable Speaker, I am of the opinion we have a respectable gentleman by the name Henry Kissinger. And Henry Kissinger did state that the quest for peace and order has two elements that are sometimes treated as contradictory. He said that the pursuit of elements of security and the requirements of acts of reconciliation, if you do not and if you cannot achieve both of them, we will not be able to reach either of them. The road to diplomacy, Honorable Speaker, Henry Kissinger did say that may appear complicated and frustrating, but progress to it requires both vision and the courage to undertake